to Thirsty Thursday, social distancing edition. I am Jamie Tait, and that there is Ross Tait from Tait Real Estate.
So we've had, this is really our first video that we've done, Zoom style. Up until now, we've been distancing from each other, but we've had a number of videos recorded before we had to start this. So we had done 5 or 6 of them, and we had recorded them actually just before we went into social distancing. And so we've been playing those up until now. So this is really our first chance. And so we've all used Zoom for different, other different aspects of our life. So we thought Zoom would be a good way of recording a Thirsty Thursday episode. So we're going to give it a shot and see how it works. And you've got a split screen there in front of you, and we'll be going back and forth, but we're both going to create these drinks in our own homes, in our own environment. So Jamie, what have we got?
Today we're making the social distancing daiquiri.
Love the name.
It's a pretty simple drink for most people to have ingredients at your house. You're going to have white rum, lime juice, and some simple syrup. So we're both going to start off with some white rum. So you're going to go 2 ounces of white rum into your shaker that has some ice in it. Perfect. We're going to do 1 ounce of lime juice. You got that?
I got mine.
We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup.
If you don't have a shaker like this at home, that's not a big deal. As long as you're thirsty, you can still make one of these. Just put it into a glass and stir it up. So Jamie and I are going to go ahead and shake. For sure, for me anyway, this is the most workout I've had in a week.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what they say, they don't call it COVID-19 for nothing. It's the 19 pounds that we've all put on. Good start. Oh, you know what I don't have? I don't have a strainer.
Oh.
That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and pour mine anyway.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm working. You know what? I'm going to strain with my finger.
I am going to strain mine.
Oh, there we go.
There you go. That's some fancy straining.
Yep.
Okay.
The old 1-finger strainer. Okay. So this drink is actually it was developed probably 130, 140 years ago, and it was one of the original sort of sour drinks. So whiskey sour, gin sour, that kind of thing. And before they started turning them into slushy drinks. So let's give our social distance daiquiri a shot here.
Refreshing.
Very refreshing.
Yeah.
Mine's a bit tart. I might have to, maybe I didn't add enough simple syrup to it, but it is a bit sour. I kind of like sour stuff, so.
Well, cheers.
Cheers, everyone. Stay safe.